Now, a patient has a daily fluid allowance of 800 millilitres. The patient is taking 240 millilitres, so both millilitres or units are okay, they're the same, right? That's our unit check. What percentage is this? The patient has taken 240. Now, if the patient had taken 400, that would be a 50%. The patient would have taken half, or 50%, right? If the patient had taken 400, they would have taken 50% of the stuff, or half of the stuff, or 0.5 of all the stuff, right? But they haven't. They've taken 240. So like if you have that again, if the patient had taken 200 mils, that would be equivalent to 25%. So now we're getting closer. So it's going to be slightly over 25%. Anyway, the mechanical way of doing it would be, we'd write the 240 over the 800 and multiply by 100 over 1. This is kind of the fail-safe way of doing it. So you'd have extra zeros there, 800 below, and we're dividing above and below now by 100, so score off 2 zeros above and below. So now we have 240 divided by 8, right? So we can handle that. 240, we'll add on a decimal point and some zeros in case things don't work out too clean. 8 into 2 doesn't go. 8 into 24 goes 3 times with no remainder. 8 into 0 doesn't go. So our answer is 30. 30% is the same. 30% is 240 mils is 30% of 800 mils. Okay, 240 milliliters is 30% of 800 milliliters. Doesn't make sense. I think it does, going by our earlier guidelines there that we worked out that 200 mils is 25%. So a little bit extra brings us up to 30%.